So children, we were doing the short questions of chapter number 2. We have done short question 1, 2, 3 in the previous class. Today we are going to do the question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 says, give two functions of the bones in the human body, and also another question is attached to it, what is the function of the muscles? So first we will answer the first part of the question, that is, give two functions of the bones in the human body. This answer says bones give shape to the body. It also protects many of the internal organs like the brain, the heart, lungs, etc. So two main important functions of bones are, first, it gives the shape to the body, shape as well as the support also to the body. So bones gives the shape to the body. Also, another very important function is it protects many of the internal organs. So it makes a cage-like structure for the body where the internal very vital organs are very well protected inside. What are those internal organs? Few of them are the brain, the heart, the lungs, etc. Second part of the question says, what are the functions of the muscles? The answer says muscles help the body to move by pulling the bones. Muscles are attached to the bones. So muscles, it pulls the bones and helps the body to move. When we walk, when we move our hands, when we speak, our lips, our cheek moves, or when we move our head, all these are done by the muscles and the bones being acting together. Okay, so these two answers together make up for question number 4. Now question number 5 says, what is the function of the kidneys? You know, kidneys are two bean-shaped organs on the back side, on the middle portion of our body, backside middle portion of our body. Its function, the kidneys remove the waste from the blood and produce the urine. So we have here the kidneys. What happens? The impure blood carrying all the waste of the body, the impure blood carrying all the waste of the body goes into the kidney. It passes through the nephrons of it passes through the various cells of the kidneys, and while it passes through the cells of the kidneys, the blood is purified, and while the blood is purified, the waste is taken out in the form of urine, which goes out from our body through the urinary bladder. So here the kidneys function is, main function of the kidneys only and main function is to remove the waste from the blood and produce the urine. With this, we come to the end of the short questions of chapter number 2. Tomorrow we will be doing the long question answers of chapter number 2 in page number 17. Thank you.